XRP leading blockchain company Ripple's cryptocurrency is said to have performed well in the first 2 weeks of 2023. At the time of publication, their token had increased from 33 cents on January 1st to 40 cents, a gain of more than 14%. This rally, however, has merely partially offset its 59% price drop in 2022. Data from CoinGlass show that the overall open interest for XRP futures contracts has decreased by 1.4%. The previous day, the legal battle between Ripple's and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is the most important factor that will affect the price of XRP. During the same time frame, this token was liquidated for $2.61 million. The first half of 2023 will likely see a decision favoring Ripple, despite some price fluctuations, according to Ripple's General Counsel Stuart Alder, ADI. Many traders and investors have found XRP to be a popular choice, and financial institutions are increasingly adopting it. Investors appear to be confident that Ripple's will prevail in this historic deal, according to a report from CoinShares. This is based on the fact that steady inflows into XRP investment products have occurred for 3 weeks in a row. A position at Ripple has been offered to former employees of the struggling cryptocurrency exchange FTX via Twitter, but only to those who are not involved in compliance, finance, or business ethics. Regarding the expansion of Europe, significant developments have been revealed by Ripple on the business front. The company updated Lemon Way in Paris and X-Bot in Sweden on its progress. Now, businesses in France and Sweden can benefit from Ripple's on-demand liquidity oddball. On November 15th, Ripple announced a partnership with MFS Africa, a top fintech firm that has the largest mobile money pool on the continent. For users in 35 countries, this joint venture seeks to simplify mobile payments. XRP is trading at 34 cents as of this writing, down 4%. Its market capitalization over the last 7 days is $17.11 billion, and its 24-hour trading volume is $404 million. XRP, according to reports, the Ripple token, which was created by a top blockchain company, did well in the first few weeks of 2023. On January 1st, the token's price is reduced from 33 cents to 40 cents. Although it has gained more than 14% as of this writing, the price increase of 59% in 2022 has barely been offset by this rally. In 2004, Ripple it was first conceived. Although it took a while before cryptocurrencies were widely used. Ripple did not become an entity until Jed McCaleb began creating the XRP cryptocurrency using blockchain technology in 2011. When XRP was formally introduced in 2012, banks and other financial intermediaries started to take notice. In the following years, XRP rose to the top of the alternative currency market, owing to Ripple's potential to transform the banking sector. The ability of the Ripple network to enable quick and affordable cross-border payments has piqued the interest of many banks. The industry seems to be naturally moving toward RippleNet as the widely used SWIFT network has become obsolete. In December 2017, Ripple's price experienced its first bull run, rising by more than 120% in a matter of weeks. This led to a record high price of $3.84, which is still in effect today. From these highs, the price fell right away, and it continued until November 2020, making significant gains. According to the price chart for XRP, the coin began to increase in value toward the end of 2020 with gains of 184% and 795%. Notably, the cryptocurrency market enters bearish territory throughout 2022 from a high of $3.84, and XRP has been unable to maintain this upward momentum. XRP's price has increased by 88% to 43 cents per token at the moment. The partnership between Ripple and the Bank of Tokyo Mitsubishi in 2017 was a significant accomplishment. Within a short period of time, it rose to become the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. A year later, it was once more reported that Santander Group and Ripple had collaborated on a cross-border transaction-focused application. Currently, there are hardly any rivals for Ripple. They are the top cryptocurrency company that provides services to financial institutions across the globe. XRP will gain a lot as the number of partnerships increases. After all, it serves as the primary means of exchange for all international transactions made possible by RippleNet. The demand for quick transactions and another untapped opportunity in emerging economies have both been tapped by Ripple. With the rise of central bank digital currencies (CBDCs), blockchain tokens are more valuable than their first world counterparts in regions where people are more likely to realize the chains of value. The cross-border framework that Ripple already offers is a well-known good setup, so developing nations that are interested in exploring this option are likely to choose it. Banking institutions will start to think about incorporating cryptocurrencies into their services as a result of the growing popularity of CBDCs. Since RippleNet is already connected to many banks, this will work fantastically for Ripple. For those Ripple central bank partners who want to take part in the CBDC, blockchain solutions include using a private sidechain to access the XRP ledger. As it can be used for a variety of tasks including accounting, investing, smart contracts, smart contract implementation, and decentralized programming, Ripple is anticipated to grow during the forecast period. The fact that a few dollars can buy dozens of XRP gives it an advantage over its rivals and appeals to novice investors, especially those who favor small investments. A report estimates that by 2030, the market for cryptocurrencies will have grown to $4.94 trillion, growing at a 12.8% CAGR. Ripple is one of the cryptocurrency companies that will profit from this. The demand for remittances in developing nations, as well as the rising demand for operational efficiency and transparency in financial payment systems, are what are fueling the growth of the cryptocurrency market. The general idea is that as more financial institutions adopt RippleNet, both the platform and its native token will gain more recognition. When estimating the projections for 2025 and beyond, this was also taken into account. Effective long-term investors in the cryptocurrency market come from cryptocurrencies with a real value utility. The Ripple network provides a workable and more desirable alternative to the current payment systems, so XRP undoubtedly has it. There is a market gap that XRP can fill because the majority of banks in the developed world still utilize the SWIFT network. First off, a cross-border transaction using RippleNet typically completes in just 5 seconds. On the other hand, a SWIFT transfer typically takes 30 minutes, though it can occasionally take up to 24 hours. Given the scalable nature of modern economies, a switch to the Ripple network will naturally benefit most parties. Since each transaction only costs 0.00001 XRP, Ripple also excels in terms of fees. Even if the XRP price is 10 times higher than its value, this amounts to a tiny fraction of a cent in low cost. Again, this is significantly less expensive than using the SWIFT network, which can charge up to 3% in conversion fees when sending money abroad. The role of XRP in this payment system is currency bridging, which lowers the cost of currency exchange transactions. In order to avoid paying the conversion fee, a bank can purchase XRP with dollars and then use it to purchase euros. When you add that to Ripple's quick processing times, it becomes obvious why this cryptocurrency is so well liked. More financial institutions will probably use the Ripple network if it can overcome the lawsuit and resume growth. Our XRP price prediction suggests that, assuming that occurs, the coin could reach $3 by the end of 2023. XRP might be one of the most undervalued cryptocurrencies available right now, according to the information provided. Even with the company's legal issues, many analysts would concur with this conclusion because RippleNet already has a large number of significant partners. Numerous businesses in more than 55 countries use the network, according to the Ripple website. These businesses include well-known brands like Itaú Unibanco and Santander Bank of America. In the end, this greatly boosts XRP's credibility and may pave the way for additional collaborations. Please share your opinions with us in the comments section below so we can stay informed. To subscribe, be sure to click the button.